Noticed your swimming pool or spa water isn't looking as clear as it used to? Does your pool look a little less inviting than it once did? Having somewhere to relax, swim, and splash about is a great asset for any home. But if your pool or spa isn't maintained correctly, you're putting your family's health at risk. Without the right cleaning and treatment regimen, nasty bacteria can quickly build up, and algae and microorganisms can multiply rapidly. So if your pool or spa water is looking dirty or cloudy, it's time to call in the help of a pool maintenance specialist. We'll get and keep your chemicals in proper balance for a healthy swimming environment. Pool tiles will be stain-free, and your pool water will be sparkling and inviting again. Don't let pool maintenance become a neglected chore. Let us handle it for you. Contact us today.